So this is kind of what I got going on. So I told you guys I got this old mobile home that I bought it a while back. I pulled it out this piece of property, and then just other projects, other things going on, I just didn't do anything with it. So now we started doing something with it, and I want to show you guys. This video is the part 1. So if you would hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to upload a part 2, and I'm going to post some videos like as we're going with this, because we're basically rebuilding the mobile home. And you'll see what I'm talking about here in just a minute. So this is part 1. Hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, let me know what you think in the comments. All right. Hey, so this is the next one. Yeah, man, so you can see that place got a long ways to go. So let me know in the comments what you think about this. This is it's a 14 by 65, and it's and yeah, you seen it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Comment below what you think I should do with it, and let me know what you think.